Hello, good evening, everyone, and very happy to have you guys in these sessions. First of all, I'll introduce myself first. I'm Suling from Apex Security Berhad on derivative team. So I'm one of the dealers and also one of the traders in the team. So yeah, so how you guys doing? Since our meet up at the Surya Sabha during the investment fair last time. So I hope you all are doing good and welcome to our webinar sessions tonight with the titles Introductions to Derivative Tradings. So first of all, congratulations that on the openings, the trading account with us. So in today's sessions, we'll share with you what is derivative tradings and what is the tools we'll offer to you and how this could help you to make money in the markets, right? So before we continue, some heads up. The content we share in this webinar is purely for education and purpose. There is no buying or selling advice. And also please understand the risk involved and seek independent financial advisor before you making any investment decisions. Okay. Our content today, we will share with you what is the investment vehicle, what we will offer to use in the tradings, and also secondly, we'll go to how to make the serious income from trading the futures. So the tools we will offer for you, the final ones will be the resource that you need in order to place the order, in order to make the decisions for your trading, okay, and what we will support to you. So before that, I want to ask, so how many of you are in these webinar sessions, you are trading stock? Maybe you can reply me one. You are invest in fixed deposit, you can reply two. And then if you invest in unit trust, you can try to press three. And others, you can give us four. So if you already in the futures trading, you can give me a thumbs up because today we will be sharing on trading futures. Okay, thanks for the response. Right, now we move to our next sharing sessions. So, sorry. Right, some brief introductions about our company. So we are Apex Security Berhad, and also we are wholly owned subsidiary of Apex Equity Holding Berhad. So Apex Equity Holdings is a listed company. So we are listed, and we are the broker of Bursa Malaysia, registered under Bursa Malaysia, and also we registered with Security Commissions. We are offering the service like stock brokering and derivative brokering. So we already in this market about 4 decades since 1979. Okay, so you can Google our company informations, Apex Equity Holding Berhad. Our stock code is Apex 5088. Okay. Okay. Now we are going into the main topic. So the investment tools we offer to you, how you make use of this to make money. So now, first I will go into our local product first, Malaysia products. So this tool is the most popular products in Malaysia, which is FBM KLCI, Malaysia Index. What is this? And also there's a crude palm oil futures. We call it FCPO. So I will introduce a little bit about the FBM KLCI. So let you give me some situations, like if you are an investor, you want to invest in other countries. So first of all, what you will be looking at, what we are trying to look at the country, what is their strength. So normally people will you see their financial strength, whether this country is worth for me to invest or not. So you will see their financial strength. So normally a country, they will have their main index to tracking the health of their economy. So ours is FBM KLCI. So in this FPM KLCI, we actually have is a basket of top 30 blue chip stock. So when you heard about blue chip stock, maybe you will know about banking stock like Public Bank, Hong Leong Banks, Maybank, and RHB, and so on. If we and also there is quite a big portions in the FPM Calcia index like palm oil stock like IOI company, Kuala Lumpur Kepong or Sam Dhabi, and so on. So and also there is utility stock like YTL Power, Telecom, Tenaga, Maxis, and also Celcom DG. So there is more. So total there is 30 blue chip stock in this FPM KLCI index. So where to see this one? And let me show you the website. Okay, you can just Google Malaysia Index or Malaysia Benchmark Index. Then you will come out in the page and you can just simply click at that. So FTSE Bursa Malaysia KLCI, this is what I found in the MarketWatch website. So here you can see roughly you can see what is the index doing right now in that country. So like for example, if we're talking about US market, maybe you know about Dow Jones Index, S&P, and also Nasdaq. If you are talking about Hong Kong, maybe Hang Seng Index. If China markets, normally we look at Shanghai Composite Index. Yeah, so that is the index. So we can actually for Malaysia economy, we cannot trade Malaysia economy like FBM KLCI index. We cannot buy or sell, but we can buy or sell the Malaysia index futures. So the other name is FKLI, right? Okay, so if you are more on high risk, you want more volatility, you can try to looking at the US market products, for example, WTI crude oils, and also COMEX gold, and also soybean oil. If you are more on super high risk, you can try to looking at mini Hang Seng, which is at the Hong Kong Exchange. So if you cannot sleep at night, all right, we have also a product for you. Dow Jones Index, S&P 500, and Nasdaq. So all of these are futures contracts, okay? And you can see this highlighted on red color. This is a Shariah compliant product. So why we say so? Because all these highlighted in red color products, they are physical delivery futures contract. Yeah, okay. And now maybe you still do not have idea which product are suitable for you. But never mind, next I will tell you how to do this. And also, to choose on which product also depends on your risk appetite. Okay, so here is a screen of the top 30 components in the FPM KLCI, but this data is updated on the February lah. Yeah, so normally this data will be reviewed by Bursa semi-annually. Yeah, it's not by us, yeah, by Bursa Malaysia. Okay. Next, we see what is the potential in trading futures. We first of all look at the basic concept to understand futures trading. When we expect the markets we're going up, for example, if today I think Malaysia economy is very good, I think the Malaysia index will going up. So I will do a buy to entry, I'll do a buy, and then I will exit when the market is already going up. Okay, so how about if you think today's the index markets are not doing really good, maybe some negative factor from regional market like US market, like China market, so I think the index will going down. Yeah, you actually, if going down, you can do a sell first to entry without holding anything. You can do a sell first. If it really going down, then you do a buyback to close the position. So this is futures trading. So in futures trading is flexible. We also able to benefit from the market weakness. Right. Next, I will show you the illustrations of P&L in FCPO trading if you are doing the buy strategy. So FCPO, just now I have mentioned, is crude palm oil futures. And then please note that when you're trading FCPO futures, you have to remember 1 point is equal to 25 ringgit Malaysia. Okay, so here is the strategy for long. If you think that when the price at P1, the P1 that is a green circle, and you think this price will be going up to P2, so you will do a buy at 3685, and your next action, you exit to sell at 3785. So the resulted in the result, the P&L, we can look at this table. We use the sell price to minus the buying price. There's 100 points of profits. Okay, because your selling price is higher than the buying price. All right. So it times 25. So here, after this trade, you done this trade, you got a 2,500 of profit. So here is only one lot. Yeah. The example is only for one lot. All right. How about if we think the markets will going down? So after the market going up to 3785, I think it will remain to consolidate in the range. So I decided to do a sell at the high price, at the price that they cannot back through. For example, 3785 P2. So I will do a sell at P2, 3785, and then the market eventually going down. So I do a buyback at 3785 P1. Right, so here also you use the P&L, so you use the selling price to minus the buying price. So 100 point profit against. So here you also earn about 2,500 from the shorts. Short is a sell. There is a term in futures trading. When we say buy, we also say long. When we say sell, we also say short. Yeah. All right, next, how if I go in to buy and the market move opposite my directions? So here I just want to share in trading, there is no one can predict how financial market will behave. The key point is you have to follow your rules. You have to have a very good risk management and also discipline and emotion control, right? And here I give you some example. If I go in the market, but the market moved against my directions. Okay, so in the P2 3785, there's a arrow of red color. I expect the price will going up after it touches P2. Okay, but the directions is moving down. Okay, so I be scared. I don't know what I can do, but I try to cut loss. But I cut loss at 3685 P1. So here the calculations will be using the sell price 3685 to minus the buying price 3785 is a losses of 100 points. Okay, so times 25 is a losses of 2,005. So it can be a losses, but do you actually know that the losses actually can be minimized with a proper risk management? So let me show you how to minimize the risk. So this is I go in the markets and the market move adverse me, but I have a risk management. So I expect, same again, I expect the market will going up from P2, 3085 to going up, but the market is going down. I only set for myself, I want to lose 25 points only. I cannot lose more than that. Okay, so I adjust my stop loss at 3760. So after I buy at 3785, I put a sell at 3760. I adjust it. So the calculations will be selling price 3760 minus the buying price 3785 is minus 25 points. Okay, I lose 25 points from this trade because my predictions, my expectation is wrong already. So I follow my rules. I cut at 25%, 25 points of the losses. So my losses become 625. So if you compare previously without the risk management, the losses is a lot. But if you have risk management, the losses is minimized, right? So here, this is so important because if you have a risk management, you can keep your capital for your next trade. Okay, so in futures trading, volatility is often seen as equal to opportunity. So why we say so? Because volatility, it creates the conditions where a significant price movement can occur, meaning that the markets can can go up very fast, can go down very fast, and also in very wide range. So here is, we call it opportunity. So this also allowed traders to capitalize these fluctuations. Okay, here we will show you the volatility in Malaysia's stock market. So if you are trading Malaysia stock, you may be familiar with YTL Powers International. Okay, so from this chart, you can see the largest price movement, which create a huge opportunity for trader to enter and exit the shares. You can see there's few up and down, okay, from 80 cents to 2 ringgit, and there's consolidations or there's correction. After that, it goes out again to 4 ringgit plus, and also consolidate again. And if you're able to if you catch the opportunity at 2 ringgit 5, you also still have chance to get 5 ringgit the profit. Okay. So this price range just happened in 1 year plus time. So do you want to see how much we can earn from this? Imagine that you only buy one lot of the YTL Power Internationals. So if you have calculator with you, let's do some calculations. If you manage to enter the one lot YTL Power at 80 cents, with one lot 1,000 share. So you got patience, and then you wait until 5 ringgit only you exit the market. So you use 5 ringgit to minus the 80 cent. So there's 4 ringgit and 20 cent of the profit. Here you times one lot shares. One lot you have 1,000 shares, so you times 1,000. So here you actually gain about 4,200, just one lot only. Yeah. Okay. But this is share. Next, I will show you how about in futures trading. This is crude palm oil futures, Malaysia crude palm oil futures. And yeah, just now I forgot to say, our crude palm oil futures is already in this market more than 30 years. Yeah, so and also quite a mature market, and very proud of it as a Malaysian. And others exchanges, they're also trying to copy the products, like Singapore Apex last time, and Indonesia exchange, they're also trying to have this product, but yeah, so far is failed. Okay, so we as a Malaysian, and then we got chance to be here, so don't miss the chance. Yes. And this is a FCPO chart for the past 20 years. You can see from 2005 until the latest. Okay, do you actually see the opportunity in this chart? Yeah, volatility equals to opportunity. Okay, so and still remember that during the years of beginning of 2020, we have experienced a pandemic. Okay, and during the times, most of the people, we cannot go outside. We had to stay at home. Okay, and this is one of the cause is due to the imbalance in the supply and demand. So that times a lot of commodities went through a super cycle trend. So what is super cycle? Meaning that is a super bull runs of that commodity. So such as crude palm oil is one of it. You can see in the chart, and also crude oil price, especially metal, gold, and silver. If you have property, or you're trying to buy property during that periods, actually it's quite expensive because the material to build the house is also increased. Yeah. And these super cycles offer us a plenty chances of making the money, right? Guess in this FCPO, from the price, the bottom one, 2020, that period, you try to focus here, from 1939 lower price. If this is just within 2 years time plus, it go up to 7,000 plus. Okay, I mentioned just now is due to the imbalance in supply and demand. So the price went through in the super cycle, and then you can see how much you can earn from this price difference. we don't use the 1939 and 7268. We just use 1009 and 7200 to do some calculations. If during that time I managed to buy one lot of the FCPO contract that time at 1900, so how much I will earn when at 7200 I close the position, I sell it. Okay, so if you have calculator, again, we together we do a calculations. So we use 7200 to minus 1900. Here's the price, the point difference is 5300. But remember, if you're trading FCPO, 1 point is equal to 25 ringgit. So with this 5300, you times 25 ringgit. Wow, that's a huge money. If you manage to long at 1900, okay, and hold for 2 years, right? Okay, so you can imagine this is just if you're holding one lot of crude palm oil futures. How about if you're holding 2 lots? How about you're holding 3 lots and so on? If you had more capital, and maybe you can try to guess. You can try to guess in this crude palm oil trading, what is the minimum capital you have to invest in order to buy one lot of FCPO? Can you guess? Please give me the number. One lot of FCPO is how much to gain of a profit? Okay, it's okay. Okay, just for information, to enter one lot of FCPO, you only need 7K to enter one lot. Okay. It's okay. Next, we're moving to the next stage. Okay. Now I will showing you the comparison between trading shares and trading futures. I will putting the same investment amount. For example, now you have 7K in hand, maybe 14K lah. You put 7K into YTL Power, the shares, and then you put 7K into crude palm oil futures. Okay, here you can see, we go to the YTL Power first. All right, so with 7K, if the YTL Power at 2 ringgits, you buy that time, you can get 3,500 of the shares, and then you sold at 5 ringgit. So the profit from the price difference is 5 ringgit minus the 2 ringgit, you get 3 ringgit of profits, and then times the shares you're holding you have. So there's a 10K 500s of the profit you get from YTL Power shares trading. The overall profits will be, you use the capital 7K to times the 1.5 times of the earning, you get 10,500. So the return on investment, if you're buying the YTL shares, will be 150%. So how about in crude palm oil futures? Okay, in crude palm oil futures, say your entry at 1900, you do a buy there during the price. Okay, so the 1.5 time of 1009 is 2850. So I exit, I sell it at 2850. So profit by points, the difference is 950 points. So again, 1 point CPO is equal to 25, FCPO is equal to 25 ringgits. So overall profit, you have to use the points to time 25 ringgits, that you get 23K 750 after you use the same investment amount to invest in 2 different investment vehicle. Yeah, so the return on investment in crude palm oil futures trading is about 300+%. So in futures trading, normally after we deduct the price difference, we have to time the multiplier numbers. So this multiplier number normally is set by the exchange, and also you can refer to the contract spec. Okay. Next, we're sharing with you what's the advantage of futures trading. First is flexible and less hassle invest. So for example, normally we like gold and crude oil, palm oil. This is our daily use. You can trade them without physically holding them. Okay. Secondly, In this futures market, your ability to do a short sell, you can make profit from the falling markets. But in stock trading, if you're holding the stock, when the market is going down, normally we will just wait for it, or we will just cut loss. We'll just cut loss. Okay. So third will be the leverage, which is potential to make money with the less capital. So here you already can see from the previous slide that with just a 7K, if you manage to catch the trend, and then you can have more than 100% of the returns. Okay, and also if you're trading the indexes like Malaysia Index Futures, we trading the Malaysia's, we trading the top 30 blue chip stock. We just have to expect the economy of that country to do the long or shorts on that. You no need to pick the stock, which one I want to trade. Okay, next will be the advantage is a competitive commission rate. If we compare between futures, stock, and unit trust, and given this the informations at the right hand side on the 19th of April, the FKI April closed at 1547.5. So in FKI trading, 1 point is equal to 50 ringgit. So we time 50. So one lot of FKI is equivalent to 77K of FBM KLCI value, right? So we use 77K value to do some calculations and comparison for the commissions. Okay, so if we are today we are trading one lots of FKI. Okay, we only pay, if you enter, we only pay 15 ringgits for that. Okay, but if you are trading stock, normally is follow the percentage. You have 77K of the, you want to enter 77K value of the stock, have to time the percentage. Here's the example is 0.1, then will be 77 ringgit. While in unit trust, normally there's a fixed rate 5.5%. No matter how much you invest, you have to time 5.5%. So the highest amount you invest, the highest the commission you have to pay. Yes. So here's the comparison, competitive of commission rate if you are trading futures. Our commission is calculated by lots. Okay. Next will be the resource you need in order for you to key in the order, in order for you to buy and sell, and also the daily support and the tips we will provide. Okay, we'll provide by our team, Apex Security Berhad. All right. All right. First of all, the trading platform. So if you are beginners to the markets, you want to trade some Malaysia market, you can look for end-to-end connects. The second one, and this platform is free, right? If you are more to, maybe you already upgrade yourself to more professional traders, to more advanced trader, you can looking for the trading technology platforms for local market. And also this platform, there's a charges of 60 ringgit. If you manage to trade in 1 month more than 30 lots, then the 60 ringgit will be waived. Okay. So if you cannot sleep at night, okay, just now we offer you the US market, CME, indexes, Dow Jones, Gold, S&P, and Nasdaq. Okay, you can use our YTS Go, and YTS Go is free market data and free platform fee. Okay, so here is for foreign product trading, and this is our apps. You can download the apps on the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. After the platform, here what is the support we will provide to you? Our Apex Academic, which is our education platform. In here, you can find the informations like, what is the, maybe if you're interested in stock, then what is the stock they recommend? Okay, but FCPO and Malaysia Index Future is very simple, okay? Just trade one product, no need to pick, okay? And then we have a AM and PM briefing. AM meaning morning, and also we have afternoon briefing, and we will advise on what is the price is recommend you to enter, and then the profit taking point and cut loss point. So here's our website, academics.apexes, and then I will guide you guys on how to register your account and some briefly introduce how to use the platform. Okay, so if you have a laptop or computer in front of you, maybe you can go to this website, ath.apexetrade.com. If you're already client with us, then this page is new for you. Okay, so after you have this account, right? After you have signed up the form, you submit to the broker, and then in this website, they will tell you that, oh, your trading is ready. So you can come to this website to sign up to trading platform access. So after you go into this website, first of all, we click the sign up here, and then agree all this, click register button. Okay, after that, you fill out all your information, you click the submit. Once you submit this, you tell your broker, I already registered for the platform access, so please activate for me. Well, so after they activate, right, you're going back to this page again. You click on the top right, you click start trading here, and then you key in your login detail that you already registered just now. You click login button. Yeah. So here's Apex E-Trade, the platform for you to access the FCPO and Malaysia Index futures. Okay, right. So first of all, you have to go to this exchange first to see Bursa Malaysia derivative. Actually, we have quite a few products here, but today we are more focused on Bursa Malaysia derivative. Okay, after you click here, you can see the products FKRI and also others product. Okay, but normally our most popular, we will look at FKRI, or the other one is SCPO, crude palm oil futures. Okay. Okay, next we'll guide you how to key in the order. I will show the example on crude palm oil futures. Okay, so normally for crude palm oil futures, we will trade the third month contracts. So how to third month contract also you can identify by looking at the volume. You can see all the months they appear in this platform is tradable. Is tradable one. Okay. So you can compare the volume. Here, the highest volume normally is the most active trader and most liquid contract. So third month, right? So I will click the products, August. You'll see in the bottom here, the green color tickets. This is the order ticket. And then first of all, you have to choose your trading account first. All right, because our platform is for stock trading and also derivative trading. So normally for derivative trading, the account is start with 9 something. So I click my account numbers, and then the product, I already click August, so no need to change anything. So I expect the market will be going up, so I put a buy here. Okay, you have to set what is the lot size. So I just want to enter 1 lot, and also you have to set your price. Now the last price is 3946. I foresee the market will going up, and then I do buy, but I want to buy lower than this price. So I decided to set 3940. Okay, so after this, you have to key in your PIN. This one you already set during your registration. Okay, so all this done, you click the buy. Okay, confirm want to buy. You can saw confirmations, the order ticket here, just confirm one more time. If okay, then you just click OK. So the trade will be processing. Normally it will show here that your trade is currently on working order or is a field order. Okay, so to see your order status, you actually can go to this order book here. You click order status. Okay, if there's order there, you can see under this page order book whether your order is working, your order is filled, or your order is cancelled. Okay, so to make it easy, you can click this button, pop it in this tab. Yeah, so you can see the code here. Second one, you set the order book here. Okay, so if, for example, my order is already filled, become positions, okay, I can, in this portfolio, derivative portfolio, to check my P&L after I get into the markets. After I have buy one lot FCPO, I want to check now how much I earn, now how much I lost. Okay, so here you can check P&L, and also you can see the summary of your positions if you're holding any positions here. Also same, you can click this one, this button, pop in this tab. Here you can see this 3-screen app, this one screen. Okay, right. So just now the example is for buy. How about if you want to do sell? Normally sell is red color. So you also have to click the contract you want to trade, and then, oops, I'm so sorry. Let me log in again, yeah. Okay, if you want to do sell, how? I click the contracts, and this green ticket, I choose the buy to sell. It turned to red color. So here you want to sell. Just now I already buy, right? Okay, market going to 3946. Oh, okay, I think we'll go to 3950. Okay, I want to exit at 3960. So I put in the quantity, one lots, and then my price, I set my price, I put my trading pins. Then I click the sell button, confirm the tickets, confirm the information is correct, then you click again. Okay, so here you can do the buy and sell from this platform for crude palm oil futures and Bursa Malaysia Index futures. Okay, so I will close this page. Going back to my slide, some notes, extra note you have to take note if you're trading derivative futures. Futures is one of the derivatives, but our main business normally is a futures trading. So we will always like futures in our mouth, futures. Okay. So if you are trading futures, you have to know the contract spec of that product. So for example, this is a crude palm oil futures under Bursa Malaysia. Here, what is a summary for you? What is the important point you have to remember? Okay, so if you're trading FCPO, you have to remember one point is 25 ringgits. And then to enter, to buy or sell one lot of this crude palm oil futures, you have to have minimum deposit of 7K. And also, if you're trading crude palm oil futures, you have to always remember, I have to trade third month. Okay, so now is a month of June. So which month I'm trading today? Which month I have to trade today? Okay, June, July, August. Okay, so I trade August month, right? So the final point you have to remember is a date to remember is the 15th of every month. So after the 15th of every month, normally the contract will expire and they move to the next month. So if on next Monday is holiday, right? Yeah. So if Tuesday, starting on Tuesday, which already passes the 15th of the month. Okay, so you have to trade the next active month already. So just now I said today we're trading August, but on next week is already 15. So you have to trade on September month already for crude palm oil futures. And also Bursa Malaysia Futures Index, the contract spec, this is all set by exchange one, not by us one. So we also follow. Okay, if you're trading FKI, what you have to remember, 1 point is equal to 50 ringgits FKI. So the minimum deposit to get into the FKI contracts is 4,000. With 4,000, you can do a buy on FKI or you can do a sell on FKI. And always trade on the first month series. First month, okay, so for index, if today is June, I'm trading a June contract. Yeah, if today is July, I'm trading July contracts. And you have to remember that because the contract have months, so the date to remember is the last business day of every month. Yeah, so for example, today is 14th of June, right? So what is the last day to trade this June contract? Let me check calendar. Okay, I can see the last business day is 28th of June. So 28th of June, there's a last day for you to trade June contract. So when you move to the Monday, 1st of July, you have to trade July contract already. Yeah. So here is our about the derivative trading parts. Okay, next, if you are still confused or you think you cannot handle it, and we have a solution for you. That is discretionary trading, which is with short form we call it DT. So what is DT? DT means we manage account for you. So if you have money but you do not have time to looking at the screen, okay, never mind, we offer the DT service for you, right? And DT service is our key strength, is one of our key products. And we are capable to generate about 50 to 100% returns in the specific time periods. And our core value is we tie our interest with your investment growth. So why we say that? Okay, I'll share with you later on. Okay, why DT? Why discretionary trading? And this service is approved by Bursa Malaysia and is managed by the licensed and experienced trader teams. So it's time saving for investor. Yeah. So if you already subscribe the service, you no need to looking at the screen every day. Okay. So time saving for you. Less professional trade for you. Okay. So DT product features. Transparent profit distribution. So when it comes to the time we have agreed, maybe 1 year or 2 years or 3 years, the account is in the profit. So there will be a profit sharing between the traders and the client. So your winning is our bonus. Okay, so that is why we're saying that we are tied our interest with the client investment goal. Okay, so here's I end my sharing sessions. So if you're interested on the DT service and also others thing, you can contact us and we can try to have another sessions for you, FAQ on the DT and others products as well. Okay, so until here, if you have any questions, you can post it to me. Okay, let me have a look. Currently trading in FCPO, would you recommend a buy or sell at the moment and why? Okay, so based on my analysis this few days, okay, when looking at the FCPO chart, the chart in the longer term, if you're looking at the weekly, is quite sideways, is in very wide range on consolidations. But when we come into the lower time frame, it's actually you have a very small trend in the smaller time frame. Okay, so I'm not sure whether I'm in the good position to say about this, but my view is on this morning is on buy, this afternoon also on buy. However, the market these few days quite crucial when it touches a very significant resistance level and coming down. So for next I will be calling on selling. Yeah, but you have to be careful with the level of 3925 to 3920 range. That is a support, quite a crucial support range. If the price still manage to stand above this point, yeah, the buying still favorable. Okay, if not, maybe you can try to looking for sell opportunity. Okay, so what's the next question? Let's see. Do you recommend to trade foreign or local markets? Okay, so based on my experience, it's all about your risk appetite. And if you want more volatility, then foreign markets probably will be suitable for you. If you think you want to relax a little bit, maybe Malaysia Index Futures, yes. Medium volatility, crude palm oil futures. Yeah, so it's all about your volatility. And if foreign market is open almost 23 hours if US market CME group. So you can trade anytime. You only rest 1 hour. Okay. So see if you want more opportunity, then can try to look for foreign markets. Okay. So any more questions? Let me have a look. Stock increase. Can I? Will KLCI move very closely with FKRI? Yeah, KLCI is the index, the FBM KLCI index, and FKRI is the futures. If stock increase, can I buy markets? Okay, this one you have to see. When we are talking about FKI futures, is tracking the top 30 of the blue chip stock. So you can monitor the performance on this few days. It's actually, you can see the mid cap stock and small cap stock have more buying than the large cap stock. So from here, there is no confirmation to saying that if today the stock you buy, but it is not top 30 stock going up, it will not directly affect the FBM KLCI movement. Yeah, so if you have to see if the stock you're holding is top 30 blue chip stock, then yes, you can have a look on it. And sometimes the dividend distribution also will affect the market, the FKI movement. Remember, top 30 blue chips movement is tracking, following the FKI futures. Yeah. So I think there's no more question, right? Okay, so I will end my sessions, my sharing sessions today. And thank you for joining us. And if you still stuck in somewhere, like if you already have account, you want to register for the trading platform, you can come to our dealer representative. Also, you can come to me also. Okay. And thank you very much. Here is our office address. Yeah, we are a registered company. And remember, we are listed company. Okay. Thank you.